Meaning of decamp.
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 Decamp. The word decamp means to depart or leave suddenly, often in secret or under cover of darkness. It suggests a hasty and hurried departure, as if fleeing from danger or avoiding something unpleasant. The result of decamping can vary depending on the context in which it is used. It could lead to confusion, suspicion, or even anger if someone decamps without warning or explanation. However, in other situations, it may simply be seen as a normal part of a planned departure.